how to fix Epic Games Launcher not opening. So first what we want to do is just simply exit out of Epic Games right here. Then just open up your task manager. Once you're here, just find the Epic Games Launcher right here on the list. So as you can see, I have mine right here. So just simply click on it, right click on it, then click on End Task. So once that's done, just remove all of the Epic Games that is running right there and task again. And now go to your keyboard and click on Windows key plus R key to run or to open up the run command right here. And once it's opened up, just simply type in %appdata%, then click on OK. Once you're there, just find the Epic Games Launcher right here. So I'm going to go back just a little, and we're going to find the Epic Games Launcher. So just simply go to local, to the local folder. So we were right here. So just go back, then go to local. Once you're there, just simply scroll down to the Epic Games Launcher. So click on it, then click on Save. Then just delete this folder right here that is named Webcache 4430. So just click on it and delete it. Once that's done, just refresh your computer. And now you can try to open up Epic Games again. But if that still did not work for you, what you can do now is just reinstall Epic Games. So just search Add or Remove Programs right here. Then just simply scroll down till you see the Epic Games Launcher. So delete both of these Epic Games right there and just simply reinstall the Epic Games on your browser. And that's how I basically fix Epic Games Launcher not opening.